How to import cryptocurrency transactions in IRS. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about on how can you import your cryptocurrency transactions in IRS. So the IRS does not provide a specific platform or tool for importing cryptocurrency transactions, but however you can manually report your cryptocurrency transaction when filing your taxes. Here are general steps to help you report cryptocurrency transactions. First of all, gather the transactional information. Collect all the relevant information about your cryptocurrency transactions, including details such as dates, transaction amounts, and the type of cryptocurrency involved. Then, determine the gains or losses for each transaction. This involves calculating the difference between the purchase price and the selling price of the cryptocurrency. Then after, report your cryptocurrency transactions on the tax return using the appropriate IRS forms. You might use Schedule D, which is capital gains and loss, and Form 8949 to report individual transactions. After that, on Schedule D and Form 8949, you will need to enter the transaction details, including the description of your property, which is cryptocurrency, and the dates of acquisition and sale, proceeds, cost basis, and gain or loss. Also maintain the detailed records of your cryptocurrency transactions, including the records of purchases, sales, exchanges, or any other relevant details. This documentation is essential for the accurate reporting and can serve as evidence in case of audit. Tax preparation software such as TurboTax or any other cryptocurrency-specific tax software may facilitate the process of reporting the cryptocurrency transactions. Some platforms may allow you to import the data from the popular cryptocurrency exchanges, so the tax regulations and reporting requirements for the cryptocurrencies may change. Check for an update or change to IRS guidelines and forms for the tax year 2024, and then seek professional advice. And if you find the reporting process complex or if you have a large number of transactions, consider seeking advice from a tax professional or accountant with experience in cryptocurrency taxation. Remember that the tax regulations, especially regarding cryptocurrencies, may evolve, so it's crucial to stay informed and use the most up-to-date information available. Always refer to the latest IRS guidance and consult with a tax professional for the personalized advice based on your specific situation. So this is basically how you can import your cryptocurrency transactions in IRS. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.